Guys, it's Shania. So I'm going to be doing another burping video, and I hope you guys enjoy, and please comment below on what you guys would like to see. Like, I don't want to just make burping videos. I mean, I'll make them because a lot of you guys like it, and lately I've been getting a lot of views. But just comment down below on, like, more things you would like to see, because I want to see what you guys are interested in, not just burping videos, okay? So if you could do that, thank you. And if you could subscribe to this channel, that would be great, and I'll keep doing burping videos if you subscribe right now. Alright, let's get it started. Okay. Alright, we're gonna need some more soda. That was very quick. Sorry guys, I guess I didn't need soda. But not too much, okay? And my cat is sleeping. Okay. I'm so sorry. Oh, so guys, I just bought a new camera today. So that means there will be, there will be better video quality. So you'll be able to see me much better. But first I just have to know how to work the camera. It is a Nikon DSLR 100, and it is beautiful. So, you know, once I get it, I'll obviously put it to Twitter and Instagram. If you want to see that, just follow my social media, and I'll link it down below. Bye guys. Alright, I love you guys so much, and thank you for supporting me, and you know, it would mean a lot to me if you guys would watch my other videos instead of my burping videos. I mean, you can watch that too, but like, show some love on my other videos, guys. And like I said when we first started, just comment down below on what other type of videos you would like to see, and I'll have all my social media linked down below so you can follow me. And bye.